This video is going to show you how to use Descript to remove all of the ums and pauses from your audio. So first thing we're going to do is go over here and record something. So I'm going to read a script and purposely put in some of these ums real quick. So today I wanted to quickly walk through how I plan and post my social media content. It's not perfect, but honestly, it works. The key is just starting, even if it's messy. So now that we have that recorded, it's going to go process that for a little bit. It's going to find all of the ums and anything else sticking out. They're underlined over there. We're going to go to Underlord and click on Remove the Filler Words. And the highlighted words are there. We're going to click Remove All. And then we can play this video again and then see how it processes it by taking out all of those and making the video look natural. So today I wanted to quickly walk through how I plan and post my social media content. It's not perfect, but honestly it works. The key is just starting, even if it's messy. That's pretty good, but it left the word like in here, which I wanted it to take out, but I can just do that manually. So I'll come up here, highlight it, and click delete, and then I'll play it again and kind of see how it handles that transition. Today, I wanted to quickly walk through how I plan and post my social media content. That's going to be it for the removing the ums. There's some other options over here. A ton of fun stuff we can play with. You just need the tokens for it. And we'll cover that in another video. But for now, we've covered everything. And in just about 2 minutes, we learned how to remove all of those filler words using Descript.